Getting pregnant naturally is a dream for many couples, but for some, it's very challenging. Before considering invasive and expensive fertility treatments like IVF, try these natural methods to help boost your fertility and increases your chances of conceiving. With this, I welcome you to Nozis Academic Corner, where I teach sexual reproductive health for both male and female. Please, if you love what I do, you can actually encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, share to your loved ones and friends, and then hit the notification bell so that every day as I send informative posts like this, you will be the first person to get it. There are various natural fertility methods that you can apply to boost your fertility. One is tracking your ovulation. There are three ways that you can track your ovulation. One is by monitoring of your basal temperature. During your ovulation, your basal temperature is slightly high. Then the second one is monitoring of your cervical mucus. During ovulation, your cervical mucus is thin, white, and stretching. It is only your ovulation that you notice that your cervical mucus is stretching. Then the third one is by getting an ovulatory kit from the pharmacy to track your ovulation. The second on my list is timing intercourse. Plan intercourse during fertile windows. For those people that have 28 days cycle, their ovulation is actually at the middle, which is 14th day in that 28-day cycle. So, and it is advisable that if you desire pregnancy, that you have to start having sexual intercourse 2 to 3 days before your ovulation, 2 to 3 days after your ovulation. The third on my list is Maya abdominal massage. This is a non-invasive technique that helps to stimulate blood flow to the reproductive organs. Next on my list is acupuncture. This also helps to stimulate production and fertility. As a lady that desire pregnancy, there are some few things that you can stay away from, such as intake of caffeine, alcohol, smoking, and also try as much as possible to limit your exposure to toxins. For example, all these pesticides, metal heavy things. Studies have shown that there are some supplements that will help to increase your chances of getting pregnant, such as folic acid, omega-3 fatty acid, and vitamin D. Increase your protein intake. Avoid processed food such as sugary and salts. Then stay hydrated. Take a lot of water. This will help to improve your cervical mucus quality. My esteemed ladies, getting pregnant naturally requires patience, persistence, and healthy lifestyle. By incorporating this natural method, it will help to boost your fertility. If you have stayed to this time, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for staying with us. See you in our next lecture. God bless.